Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Excel. So, what I have to do is open an Excel sheet, and here you can see some text is written here which are not wrapped, and we can't see them clearly without this option. But we can't, here you can see when we press in this column, then it's not shown here, clearly. Then what you have to do is just go to this wrap text option. As you can see, we can uh, read the whole text in a great manner. So this is how you can wrap your text. You can press the top align button to align this in the top, and middle button to keep this text in the middle, and this down option to keep this in the down. So I will select the top align because it looks nice here. So yes, this is how you can use wrap text. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.